guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day. What's up, buddy? She out of breath already. That was a lot. It's go time. How do I turn you off? Oh Lord, don't touch it again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today we're doing a what I eat in a day and what the kids eat in a day also. Mommy, look, we're talking to the girls. Yay. Mommy's here. So like I said, we're doing a what I eat in a day. It's gonna be what I eat and what the kids eat and also a normal vlog. I did start filming yesterday just to get the recipes and all the cooking out of the way. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Walmart. I mentioned this on my story yesterday, but it honestly is the best hand cream I've ever used. Non-greasy, it really lasts, and I just love it. It's super inexpensive too. I found this on Amazon. It's a mixture of food and random miscellaneous things, but nonetheless, I know you guys are gonna like it, so here we go.
I threw my lollipop out.
What?
I threw my lollipop out. She wants more candy.
No more candy. That candy was a mistake. We weren't supposed to get that candy. Anyways, so...
Freedom! Need some candy.
You want your Mickey snack? Hang on, you guys. This one is for Sultan. Comes with cheese, caramel dip, I don't know about that. Cookies, and some apples. Where's yours, buddy? This one's for Emir. Oh, he wants it. I was gonna do it in order, but there's just a bunch of random stuff, so we're just gonna go with it. Some sliced whole wheat bread, a bag of white potatoes, sun chips, some Tostitos, sweet and salty Chex Mix. I love this, and I've loved it for years. Fruit snacks, some mild guacamole mini cups, got some whole wheat flour for my banana bread recipe, Oreos because your girl is a fiend. I could finish this probably in 2 to 3 days. 2 days. And squeezed jelly for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, pancake syrup for waffles and pancakes. These look a little bit dirty right now. It's just like some baking soda. I got a couple of boxes of baking soda, so I think that's what spilled onto these. Either way, I'm gonna run them through the dishwasher before I actually use them, but I got a set of 3 silicone funnels for just a bunch of things that I'm going to need. I used to have funnels, but I don't know what happened to them. And I don't really like the color of those funnels. They don't match my kitchen, but I needed them. I also got a cookie scoop because we make cookies all the time, homemade and store-bought. I also picked up 3 of these, I guess you would call them acrylic canisters. They might just be plastic and I'm trying to be fancy, but that's what they seem like, that acrylic type of material. I got 3 of them for cookies and other sweets that we like to bake. If you guys don't know already, I like to bake. These are so cute. It's a 6-piece set, but really they mean 3 bowls and 3 lids. I don't know why they call it a 6-piece set. They should just call it a 3-piece. I feel like the lid counts as 1 when it's matched with the bowl. But anyways, yes, you guys already know I love these colors. I picked up some baking soda, the empty canister that I mentioned in my video. That one's for that. Then I have these ones that you can pull off in the front and date them. I got 1 for the laundry room, 1 for the storage room, and 2 for the bathrooms. And baking soda like this is cheaper at Walmart than Dollar Tree, if you guys did not know. I also got some ground cinnamon and some honey. And honestly, my fridge is already so full. That pasta down there, that's why I bought the containers, because I need to store pasta. We really do eat that much pasta. Sultan loves pasta. She has it either for dinner or lunch every day pretty much. These bananas are going to be banana bread. This is how the cookie jars turned out. I think it looks beautiful. I love them. The kids completely trashed the apartment. You're gonna stress about the mess or you're gonna stress about cooking. Gotta pick your battles. So I went with cooking and worried about the mess later. Typically, I meal prep at least 1 or 2 days out of the week.
That big.
rabbit. Typically, I meal prep at least 1 or 2 days out of the week. I don't like to cook every day. I don't really like to cook at all. I like to bake. It's something that makes me feel good and is therapeutic, so I like baking, but cooking, I'm very basic when it comes to cooking. I just put, you're knocking over mommy's tripod. I normally just put together a carb, a protein, and some veggies or fruits on the side, and that's basically it. Hey, boy, let me get you guys off the tripod. So far today, I've only had coffee. It's around 11 in the afternoon, and I'm still not very hungry. For coffee right now, I'm using these donut shop pods. They're similar to the ones that I showed last time. I think, was that in a video? I don't remember if it was a video or Instagram, but I bought a huge pack of 100 of this from Sam's Club. Here's the other mug that I bought. It says love. The ticket is still on it. It's the Opal House brand from Target. Super cute. I like the pink one more. Red is my least favorite color. I'm wearing a red sweatshirt today, but it's all good. That's it for my coffee. I just add in some of this and the coffee. No sugar, no milk, no nothing. And that's it. The kids normally just have a snack in the morning, and then I make them like a brunch later on in the like later in the morning. Banana bread. That's how you say banana bread. Oh, Pumuk. Pumuk. Pumuk wants banana bread. Heart sauce. Here you go, buddy. You want a bowl? I'm not sure if I mentioned this already, but my peanut butter cookie recipe is super easy. It's just 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg, and it makes about 20 cookies.
As you guys already know, we got this thing, and we accidentally pulled all the red like spinners, but it's still flying.
Snacks. He wants you to open it.
I want one too.
Okay, Salty's gonna have one also. Come on, let me open it for you. You showing it to them?
Yeah. If you like it, then you have to give it a thumbs up.
If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Work, girl. You know how this works. Sultan doesn't even want breakfast. She wants lunch. She's gonna have pasta. Let me get the strawberries.
And then blueberries.
We only have strawberries left. You guys ate all the raspberries and blueberries. The dishwasher is still going in the background, but I'm finally gonna eat something. I'm gonna have a bowl of oatmeal with just some honey and almond milk. I don't measure my oatmeal, but there's a measuring spoon in here just for me to scoop it out of here easily. It's a 1/3 cup. I think I did like 1.5 of a 1/3, whatever that is. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. I'm still gonna be hungry after this. That is what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. Just some plain quick oats with some agave, almond milk, and some berries. But in the mornings, I like to have something warm rather than cold right away. And same thing with the drink. I'd rather have something warm and cold. My body is just like that. Really easy to make. I wouldn't leave it in the fridge for more than like 2 or 3 days. That's why I only made a little bit, but it's so good. I also have this mixture not with pasta. I eat it with Ritz crackers also, and it's so good like that too. Yeah, it's so dark today. I might just have to use
The bathroom.
no, use the bathroom. I might just have to use one of my lighting kits. I'm just about to offload the dishwasher. I've been messaging with so many people on Instagram because I opened up a topic of just about cleaning videos and a little bit of what I've been seeing in my comments. Not a little bit, it's actually a lot, and it's been going on for a long time. So finally, since I said something today, a lot of people are opening up and spilling tea pretty much. That's what's been going on Instagram. And if you follow me, then you already saw that and know exactly what I'm talking about. Get off the counter, little boy. Don't get back up there again. Anyways, now I'm going to offload the dishwasher. You know what? You guys remember that? I think there's something smudged on this bottle. Looks like something leaked onto it and there's some lint. But you guys remember this? I tried it in a video and I think on Instagram, I also picked these up. My dishwasher is smelling a little bit funky, so I'm gonna try this in there, and I'm also gonna see if the filter needs to be cleaned. I heard that can get really gross. I'm not excited about that. My dishes are coming out cloudy sometimes. I definitely don't like that, especially for the ones that are supposed to shine like this one. There's no reason for this one to be cloudy. I think there's one more time in there, so I'm gonna fill it up again into the cartridge that it goes to and wash some of these by hand, the ones that look really bad, and then load the dishwasher back up and see if it makes a difference. If so, then it's true. This does help with shining the dishes, but if not, then I'm gonna have to try something else.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day.
The kids just ate 2 of these little pouches that we get from Aldi, just like little fruit pouches. Yes, the dishwasher is still on, so it's really loud.
Spicy?
No, they're not. They're regular chips. I'm gonna have some Tostitos, the scoop ones, and some guacamole with it, and a cheese stick. You want some chips too, buddy? Boo said he wanted some too. In the meantime, I'm making these grilled chicken fillets. Looks good. Never tried these ones before. I got the ones that I tried last time I shared on Instagram, and I really like those ones, so I'm gonna try these ones this time. Probably with some rice, which I already have cooked, and some veggies down here, like tomatoes and probably some sweet potato and some leftover broccoli, and I'll probably put some cheese on that. Not sure yet. 2 of these should be enough for the kids and I. I'm gonna eat one and they'll split one.